We start now on the decisions chapter with the first introduction to conditions. Thus far in any functions we've been doing, instructions have been executed sequentially. And that's certainly the way we think of most things, one step after another. But you can get to a place where you say, that depends. There may be a choice. And the simplest sort of a choice is if one thing is true, do one thing, and if it's not, do another. Before we get into the if statements that use that, let's talk about conditions, and we're going to, just to make it simple to start, we'll start with the conditions that directly look like math, like 2 is less than 5. Let's check those out in C#. Let's put in this inequality here. And what does it say? True. 2 is less than 5. How about 5 is less than 2? Nope, that's false. So that fits very neatly. It turns out that true and false are the two values of a new data type called Boolean or bool. They will allow us to have conditions and then use the result. Let's try a few more examples. Here I did it just with literals, but I could have int x equals 7, and then I could say x is less than 11. That's true. X is greater than 2 times x. 11 is not greater than 22. So the name of this type comes from George Boole. This is a common term in computer science, Boolean, for the algebra that he worked out, and in C# the abbreviated type name is bool. Now we will go on and use these decisions in an if statement in the next section. More conditional expressions are discussed later, but this gets us started.